I'm Eric Gross, and I'm the Director of the Resident Research Pathway in the Department of Anesthesiology at Stanford University. Thank you for considering Stanford for residency. Within the Department of Anesthesiology, we are committed to training the next generation of academic anesthesiologists. One benefit of Stanford is that there is an expert in nearly every research field, all on one central campus. This provides a highly collaborative environment to answer critical research questions important to our field. To find out more about resident research, let's hear from some of our residents.
Research was always a natural thing for me. In college, I looked for labs early on that had interesting projects and got involved early. That just kept building until here in residency.
Research has really made me open to more evidence-based ways of doing my practice. So that's probably the main way it's influenced. But secondary, it really opens me up to new technological advancement in the field, such as a new way of doing a nerve block, new technologies, thinking about AI in the context of medicine.
Yeah, I think the wonderful thing about the Stanford operating rooms is that you're connected with so many people doing so many different projects. And for me, it just happened to be that I just mentioned that I was interested in Project XYZ. I was working with one of the senior residents during my intern year who was also interested in cardiac research. And he just connected me with his project. And ever since then, it's just kind of been a network of being able to meet people and get involved in various things. Yeah, in terms of the research question that I'm specifically investigating, something I've always been really passionate about is doing more research in terms of the inequalities that sometimes exist in healthcare. For me, the passion that I really pursue is how non-English speakers interact with the healthcare system and how their outcomes vary. And I think it's really important because in order to make changes that actually have a clinical significance, it's first really key to understand what those outcomes are to begin with, and then we can start talking about how we can mitigate some of those adverse events.
So our project aims to explore an adjunctive pain measure, which is neuromodulation or peripheral nerve stimulation, to see if we can enhance the duration of the blocks more consistently and therefore have less variability in the patient experience. Overall, this is great for our field because it will allow us to make more gains in terms of how patients are experiencing pain after their surgeries and hopefully increase the duration of the blocks.
Research deals with how to extract information from echocardiograms or heart ultrasounds and try to derive new insights from them that we otherwise couldn't as a human. So basically trying to make this really data-rich modality more accessible to humans, and also to try to surpass human capabilities and predict things like the future, like mortality.
The main benefit is to really hone my skills and being able to work with a big team of researchers. We have people actually from all over the world and within the Stanford medical system itself working on this project, and others that are within our research group. So learning to work with people with different backgrounds, learning how to refine my clinical research skills, which is a really great skill that would lend itself to both academic and private practice. It also taught me a lot about the research process, making sure that I'm asking the questions, what's actually the most important for a patient outcome? What is the most clear way to assess if a management treated your patient effectively?
In our department, we're proud to offer a truly robust research pathway for residents. We built a strong infrastructure and a culture of mentorship that connects trainees not only within anesthesia, but across the entire institution. Residents benefit from protected time for research and have access to cutting-edge technology thanks to our unique proximity to Silicon Valley. We also support early-stage ideas through internal seed grants and help residents tap into external funding opportunities. Most importantly, this pathway is about developing lasting research skills and fostering innovation so that our residents are equipped to lead the next generation of discovery in anesthesiology and beyond.